In this video, we are going to see what is AHD technology in CCTV camera. AHD, analog high-definition technology, is a popular format in the realm of CCTV, closed-circuit television cameras. It represents a significant improvement over traditional analog cameras. AHD cameras capture and transmit high-definition video over standard coaxial cables, making it an attractive option for upgrading existing analog surveillance systems without the need to replace cables. AHD cameras can achieve resolutions of up to 1080p, Full HD, delivering sharper and clearer images. This technology is cost-effective, offering enhanced image quality and compatibility with older analog systems, making it a practical choice for businesses and homeowners looking to improve their security monitoring capabilities. If you like this informative video, like and share. And also, don't forget to subscribe our channel Info Tech Fusion.